Hello everyone. So welcome to this live video and live stream. In this stream, we are going to work on the FlexPost website. I mean the app. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy this. And I will be using the AI for it too, because the AI. If you know the how to work with AI, you can increase the productivity and you can make money too. Yeah. So let me just share the link of the video real quick onto the X and Telegram. Okay, so yeah, let me just do it real quick. Okay, it then send here to send here to, and then 1 second. Let me just okay, cool. Now we go into the X account and just tweet this. Okay, nice. Let's view the tweet and let's add the link into the replies. Cool. Yeah, so it should show our live station. So let's just start the what we are working on first of all. So let's just okay start. So let me just go on to the thing which I want to show you what I am doing right now. So as you can see, this is PNL. So what we're doing is we are going to add the new feature where user can edit the PNL and I mean edit the PNL and its background photo. So as we can see, user goes to the Photoshop and maybe some people don't have the Photoshop. They need to download the software and all that shit. So he just or he or she just needs to go on the website which is FlexPost and will be needing to add the background and edit the template of famous trading dexes. So as we know the Axiom is the one, and the other one is uh, a GMGN, good morning, good night one, and the other this I know this too, but there are many like Jupiter also. Yeah, Jupiter. We forget the main one, which is Jupe, and so yeah, we are going to build this. This is our website, which is FlexPost, and it's already live. You can check it out. You can just create the template of a Twitter right now. You can edit things and you can just export it without any login or anything. All this happening in the client side, so you don't need to worry about the what we say. You don't need to worry about the privacy. Okay, so yeah, because this all happening into the client side itself. Okay, so let's. This is the view template button which we need to edit, and we will be adding. Also you can uh, contribute on this web app if you want to. You can just click on the contribute and you can do that, and you can also report a bug. There is a form link, you can do that, and please click on this star on a GitHub and start the repo. Looks like two is a start, which one is mine and someone else is mine one. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. So I'm using the Gemini Pro version for doing this, and I'll also recommend to use this if you don't have any you know money for what do we say for the subscription of AIs, because I'm also not spending any penny on the AI, because uh, all the work which I am doing is happening because of Gemini, and it's a free for us students. You can just go on to the uh, it gets you the free version from the Geo. I mean, from the Geo card, which we say the network card in India, and there is also another offers. You can just go onto the Google and check it out. You will get the pro version for free. So if we I have already given the prompt to it, like let's add that template gallery page and also add a link of a page into the what do you say let me show you the actual prompt which I did. This one, can we add a template for XGMP, and also that user can edit and add a background photo or a video, export it. It's possible to keep it a client side and smooth and also free. Okay, so I need to first of all edit that button. We we need to edit that button, which is view template. We need to add the link of the page onto that. uh, there's that button, which is browse template. It's here. Yep. So this is the button, secondary button. Let's copy this button, go on to our VS Code, uh, just edit this secondary button, copy, paste, and we need to add this layout template because it's not imported. Okay, so just go the upside and you can just import. And by the way, you can get this all the code on the GitHub itself. You can just go on the GitHub repository and you can clone it into your VS Code. If you don't know how to clone, you can just check out on the videos and all, because there are a lot of videos about that. Okay, so uh, layout layout template, this one. Okay, and we got another problem here because we need to remove this div here and it will go away. Okay, yep, it's gone. So let's just go on to the local host. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it it opens now, and now we can just go on to this. Now we can just go on to this and browse template. We can do the browse template. Okay, so if we click on the browse template, you can see we got the preview. This uh yeah, it's, I don't know if it's good looking for you, but it's not good looking for me. But yeah, it's something like that. And if we go on to this, I have added that template folder into the app and added the page.tsx link and the code from the Google Gemini itself. Like if we see, here's that page.tsx file, this one. So I copied this file and pasted into that file, so it worked. And also we have this templates page.tsx file where it will list where it will list like this. Choose a template. So let's suppose there is a X, there is a crypto panel, PNL card, and there is this LinkedIn, which will be coming soon also. So if we click on X, then it will go on to this here. And if we click on let's say browse crypto PNL card, Then it should go here because we need to create the XEM folder first of all and add the code of the file there, which is the file should be this one. Yep, this one looks like xgm slash pg.tsx page.tsx. If we go here and just see, choose a template, and into the there should be the link to your main editor, links to the PNL page we made. So just create new folder here, which is axim, and then create a new file, which is page.tsx. Okay, and then paste. Oh, shit, 1 second. Copy first of all this one, and then paste into here. Okay, and now it should show. Let's just go back, click on crypto PNL, and like this. So we can see this Bitcoin USD 525%, and we can do everything here. First of all, let me hide the nav bar here. We don't need nav bar onto this page because it's blocking. So just hide, copy the file, and just let me see. Have already hidden for not create page was if path name create return null. So footer is hidden here. So if we go on to the text and null nav bar, so looks like you can see this. If we visit the create page, report page, privacy page, terms page, and templates page, then page will, that nav bar will not show, like it will be like null. Okay, so we can just add here, we can just add here the path of our page, like slash templates slash xgm. Okay, and now it will not show. Okay, so yeah, we can see there is, it also added this upload media. So if we click on the upload media and we selected something like let me just say image, anime motivation, anime image dark. Yeah, okay, so if we take this one, let's just save image. Yep, so if we go into the download and we added this anime dark, and if we go into the FlexPost, I hope it will work. So it's uploaded. As you can see, it's gone into the background also, like this. So it's all done by the AI itself, and now we just need to iterate it. Like we need to just tell it to make the UI better and matching to our previous create page, so it will look like that. Okay, so yeah, it's working, and if we just refresh it, it should disappear. Okay, it's disappearing. Nice. And also we can change this, like we can add here sol slash USDT. Nice. We can change this long short. We can add the ROI. We can add the ROI like plus, let's say minus. Okay, look, if we add the minus, then it will become red. And I didn't say anything about this to it, but it created itself. So yeah, that's a good part about it, because we needed that, right? We needed that, and it created that. So if we just add here 739% plus, so it's like it goes into the plus, okay? And then entry price, we can edit the entry price, we can edit the mark price, right? And also we can write letters here also, but we need to disable that letters so it will work good. And okay, so let's do that things first of all. Where's our file? This is xm page.tsx, copy. And then let's go on to the Gemini and let's tell it what to do. Okay. uh Looks like 3 people's joined. Thanks for joining, and if you have any question you can ask. um so let's just ask it, let's just tell it the conditions which we want to disable. Stop user, stop user from, and it's just a plain English. You don't need to be a good prompt engineer for this, you know. You can do things just by writing like in correct, I mean correct English, okay. Stop user from writing alphabets into, what we say, into the entry price, mark price, into the ROI, into the ROI, into the ROI, into the entry price, mark price, entry price, mark price. And also we need to change the UI of what we say, UI of this, because it's not looking good. I mean, it's not looking exactly like Axiom. We need to find the Axiom PNL card and then work according to it, and make it work according to it, okay. So yeah, if we go here, sorry, the Google section, price, mark price, and then there's other thing which is okay. So yeah, mm, then there's this background image, then this sole pair. uh we need to tell it to use the dollar sign for this. So it's the PNL card for the short and long. Okay, so let me just find Axiom PNL card. Okay, PNL means profit, and N means and L means lost. Okay, uh, then let's check. Let's say open this, open image in new tab, and then we can see it's written the Axiom Pro. Then there is a logo of Axiom, and there's this username, the token name, then there's a price, um, like how much Soul made, and then there's this PNL card, like how much percentage, then there's how much bought, how much position. Okay, and if we check something else, like this one. Okay, so yeah, it's exactly the same. And okay, nice. Okay, so let's just tell to the Gemini that we want card to look like this instead of looking like this. And we don't need this long short right now. Okay. Um, okay, stop user from writing alphabets into order and press mark. And also make our card look like this with with uh, right layout, and also add Axiom logo. So we need to find the Axiom logo PNG for that. Um, there's no Axiom logo, so I have one idea. If we go onto the Axiom website, you can just right click on the logo and then click on inspect. And I hope it will be the, you know, it will be HD. If it's not, then we are cooked. Oh, okay. Inspect. Where is the image, man? This one. And looks like it's not PNG, but we can just save as. We can just save it into the download and SVG file Axiom. We can just check it out. Okay, and convert SVG into JPG, not PNG. Then we can just, let's see, let me open the first of all Cloud Convert. And on Cloud Convert we can add this convert, and now it will convert into the PNG. Nice. Now download. Now goes onto the other website, which is background eraser, background remover. Onto this website we can remove the background. Looks like it's done. What the fuck is happening with this website, man? Okay, so it's removed. Nice. Yup, it's removed. Now I just okay, nice. It's removed, and just Axiom logo. Cut it. Add into the desktop. In desktop we can go into folder, which is our FlexPost, FlexPost app, and into the public we can add that logo, and we can also copy it. Let me close these things, and if we go here, we can add the logo, Axiom logo. Axiom logo, and extension should be the .png, right? So we can just add here .png. Yep. So stop user from writing alphabets into ROI, entry, price, mark price, and also make our card look like this with right layout, and also add Axiom logo in left corner, left upper corner, left upper corner, I'm sure. Yep. So let's see how it goes. Until that, let me just check. I have updated the logo image exactly out from the reference image. Let's see how it looks like. So it's writing the code. Oh, let me just drink water. Okay, the code is written. Let's copy, go into the VS Code and paste. Let's see how it looks like. Refresh. Okay, not bad. So it changed something like to this. So we need to just adjust the card here, like increasing its size and everything, and making the card right side card small as possible, so it can take the as much as space. Card can take as much as space as possible. Okay, so let's just say it without fixing on our own. We can just go onto the Google Gemini and paste. So what I do is I always paste the code so it doesn't get confused, because I never get run out of credits because I have a pro version which is free. Yep. So we will tell it. We'll tell it to adjust the card. Adjust the card in 1 second. PNL card should be in right side, and controllers should be in left side. Also make card use also make card small, cause also make text in card small, because it's not fitting. It's not fitting properly. It's not fitting properly. Also, what we can say to it, types text, styles, grade, ROI input, main matrix, background upload, right column, card ins, bottom footer, user info, position, bot, footer state LPL percent, the green box. Yep. So we should say it's a green box. Make green box rectangular, right? Let's see. Yeah, like, yep, it's like rectangular, and and it should be, and it should be small too, respectively, with all. I have attached screenshot for your reference, so we'll use this screenshot. We'll just copy this, just paste it. Okay. Let's see how it does. Piano card should be in the right side, and controllers should be in the left side. Also make text. So what will it should make this configuration to the left side, and card to the right side. So it will match our UI basically, because into the tweet post, mockup tweet post UI into the studio, we just made that because our controllers are on the left side and the post it in the right side, so we need to match that thing. Okay, so let's see how it worked here. I hope it worked good. Okay, so copy, paste, save, and refresh. Application side error. Oh shit. So we got S here. Removed. Should work now. My computer is lagging right now. Configuration. Then okay. So the username is on this. It doesn't got correctly. We can make this. Um, we can make this controllers configurations more small so that it can preview can take as much as place as possible, but it's still good. We just need to add the username upper side and this thing. Okay, then axiom trade website into the downside with the, what do we say, 10% off face with this. Okay, so yeah, it's still not correct. Okay, so let me just tell it. First of all, let's take a screenshot and then paste, and let's keep the code here. uh as you can see the username of penal card owner is is uh is coming on top of webs, on top of text, I guess, on top of okay, so yeah, as you can see, the repair card owner is coming on top of a website. Add PNL bot position. Add PNL bot position. PNL bot position. Add that PNL bot and position just below green card, and also fix that username profile place file place. I know it's easy to do a custom coding on this, but if you don't want to do the custom coding, you can just do things. I mean, you can just give it the what do you say? You can just give it the prompt, and you can just do the other things also. So yeah, that's why it's good. Okay, so it made something like this card. Yep. So we need to. So we didn't give any code. That's why I thought he needs to create the image itself. Oh, let me just ask him one thing. We can do here is we can just copy this image, and we can tell it make this HD. Let's see what it does. So we can just convert that image into the HTML, and we can just give it the code. We can just tell it like give the code of this image, uh, or we can say it before like and give me code of this image. Let's see what happens now. I was thinking to create that image, to convert that image into the HD, and then tell the Gemini to add that into the add that onto the UI with the code itself. So let's see what happens now. Yo, how you doing, man? Rappler. Yo, hi. Thanks for joining, man. Resize the green box to be more active. Let's see. It given the whole the code. Yeah. So we'll just copy and paste it into that. Thanks for joining, Rappler. If you're still here. Okay, so let it work. So we are building this FlexPost. If you don't know, I mean, if you are here, you can just visit the flexpost.xyz, and we are adding the new feature in it, which is a PNL card, like adding the custom image. Okay, so yeah, we are working on this one, and let's copy, paste. Okay, here we go. Nice. So we got this. It's all good, I guess. We can just remove this axiom trades 8 save percent and off, because we don't need that. We can just remove that text from here. Where is that? Where is that? Because we don't want to show that link or something like that. Save 10% fees off. Save 10% fees off. This one. We can just remove this footer text. We don't need that footer text. Okay. And remove the footer here also. Okay. Yep. So nice. It's looking good. Also, someone can upload the image here, and now we just need to take this K into the correct position, like below the position, so it will look good. Okay, nice. So just so the PNL bot positions are just downside, just below the logo of Soul. So I think we need to add the logo of a soul of every fucking token, to tell that just to tell that user that uh, if it's selected soul, then it will not it, there will be written like a soul symbol, not as exactly the soul text. It will render the image instead of the soul text. Okay, so we need to add the custom images of the soul, Bitcoin, then every freaking coin, and then um, I don't know about the new coins how we are gonna add that, but for new coins which are not added, for that we will use the custom text for that. Okay, for now. So yeah, uh, so it's created that, and let's just tell it to take the PNL bot and position into the inside, just below the soul. Okay, so I'm thinking to add logos of Solana, logo of Solana, logo of Solana, and another tokens too. Is there any easy way to render the logo images from text instead of adding it in public? So if there is any other way, like from the API or something like that, then we can do that maybe. Let's see. If there is not, then we will need to add the logos into the public folder manually. Okay, let it work out. Let me just check the TG. Okay, there is a very easy way to do this without hosting images yourself. Since you mentioned from the deck, the best standard for Solana is to use the Jupyter token list API. Jupyter is the primary aggregator on Solana, so their token list is widely used, free, open, and stays up to date with the new meme coins and tokens. Are the two best methods to render logos dynamically. Method 1, the lazy way, direct CDN links. This is the easiest method. You don't need to fetch any data. You just need to construct a URL using the token's mint address. Most wallets like Trust Wallet and Fan means a standard GitHub repository for images. You can link directly to them. URL pattern. Okay. Example Solana, USDC. This works for established tokens. Brand new meme coins might not be the repository yet. The Prove Jupyter API for the most accurate logs, especially for new tokens trading on DEXs, uses Jupyter's metadata API. This is what the sites like Bird Eye or Disk Screener often rely on. Okay, nice. Let's see. Jupyter AI. Let's use the Jupyter API. Here's a copy paste component that does with logo and files back to the default image if it fails. Let's try this. Design exactly use from Dex and complete free over the done API without an API. Okay, so let's create the file. Let's use Jup API and guide me step by step for this. For implementing, let's use Jup API and guide me step by step for implementing this. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I think we have done, okay, we have done 46 minutes in total on the recording, on the live stream. Is the step-by-step implementation to add a dynamic token logos using a Jupyter API since you're analytical like Sol, if and Bong rather than languages. Strict token is like verified tokens rather than final logo that minus the name that type. Okay. So Axiom and page.xl adds new imports and state variables. Okay, so it given me the half codes. We'll just tell it to give us the updated file. Give me updated file. Updated file. We will copy this entire file and we'll just paste into this. Okay, nice. This is a fully updated file. I haven't created Jupyter token list. I pass it like type. Okay, let's see how it goes. I think the file is too big right now, but maybe we'll say it like split the files, like create two files and attach it. So everything will be like smooth as hell, you know. Okay. So it's 48 minutes. Fixed position bottom left card end. Let's copy and paste. Let's see how it goes. I'm not sure it will work in one chance because I don't know. Like I've never used a Jeep API. Let's see. Oh God, we got the Soul logo here. So if someone write like BTC, shouldn't it fetch the BTC logo? It should fetch the BTC logo, but okay, it's not fetching the Bitcoin logo. Okay, it's not fetching the Bitcoin logo. 1 second. So mic was muted all this time. Shit. Um. Okay. So what we will need to do is that's from Jupe docs. Also add the interface, which is this. Add this interface. Add this interface. Also, when I paste contract address, it's huh? It's not. It's not auto converting. Auto converting into logo, into icon. Let's see what it does now. It should work, man. We have already done the 99% of work. We're just adding this functionality. Otherwise, we will have to do it manually. It should fetch the API and it should get that icons and display or display it on the website. I think people will love this feature. Uh, has the updated code, updated token infrastructure, and different structure requested fixed contract.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, this a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out. It's about to head
You're
south.
never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight? Or will you fucking fight back?
The code guy 01 is the anti-gravity.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it.
Five more errors. I know this is taking time, but I think it will worth it when it gets released. Yeah. fix this, but nice. Let's just take a screenshot of it.